STX Offshore and Shipbuilding. With world best technology and service, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is opening the future of the shipbuilding and offshore plant industries. Based on eco-friendly technology, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is becoming a world-leading expert in high value-added vessels. STX Offshore and Shipbuilding utilizes the most advanced shipbuilding methods to maximize efficiency of its global production plants. From commercial ships and special-purpose ships to offshore plants, it has proven its competitiveness in every field of shipbuilding and offshore plants. Based on customer-oriented management, timely management, and technology management, it is building its reputation as a global top offshore and shipbuilding company. Based on its EPCI capability of providing a turnkey solution that integrates engineering, procurement, construction, and installation, it is constructing FPSOs, which are floating refinery, storage and unloading facilities, as well as deep-sea drilling facilities. By building high value-added offshore plants, it is strengthening its leadership in the global offshore plant market. Revolutionizing the future of the global shipbuilding and offshore plant industries with its innovative technologies, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding. By utilizing the semi-tandem building method for constructing multiple ships simultaneously on a single dock, the world's first skid launching system for building ships on land, and the new ROSE building method that uses semi-submersible heavy cargo carriers and module transporters. STX Offshore and Shipbuilding was successful in mounting a 7,000-ton ultra-large block in water. By developing the world's first optical fiber digital welding system and a steel management system for real-time tracking of steel, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is maximizing its productivity. The STX Institute of Technology is developing STX Offshore and Shipbuilding's core technology and leading the R&D strategies as a control tower of STX Group's R&D. The R&D Center shares information and engineers ships that correspond to the primary portfolio of global production plants and strives to maximize the synergy of technical collaboration. Based on these state-of-the-art technologies, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is writing a new page of history towards success. The Jinhae Shipyard is the heart of high value-added masterpiece shipbuilding. The NO96 type LNG carrier uses dual-fuel generator engines for electric propulsion, improving spatial efficiency in the engine room and maximizing cargo capacity. Furthermore, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding has developed independent cargo bays, resulting in outstanding competitiveness in LNG carriers and offshore plants, such as LNG FPSOs. By deploying a design that maximizes cargo capacity among LNG carriers with 4 cargo tanks, it is providing the highest level of safety and efficiency. STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is also a pioneer of building eco-friendly ships. The 13,000 TEU container carrier, which maximizes energy efficiency, was the first very large container carrier to acquire EEDI certification from German ship registers. By being commissioned to build a 16,000 TEU container carrier and successfully developing a 22,000 TEU container carrier model, which had been considered the limit in terms of technology and economic efficiency, it is leading the very large container carrier market. The Very Large Ore Carrier, which was designed and engineered by STX, boasts the world's largest size at 40,000-ton class with lighter weight, higher fuel efficiency, and 20% higher cargo capacity than other ships in its class. performing production, liquefaction, storage, unloading, transportation, and gasification of LNG in the ocean. STX's LNG floaters, including LNG FPSOs, LNG RV, and LNG FSRU, are built with original designs, and STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is leading the market with world-leading technologies. STX has also successfully built 4 PKG destroyers with stealth functions. And it is expanding its business to Coast Guard patrol ships, research vessels, and other high value-added special purpose vessels. In the Busan shipyard, STX is building ethylene carriers, LNG carriers, and 10,000-ton class oil carriers, and it is securing greater growth engines by specializing in these types of vessels. The Hyukshin Company in the Gosang Shipbuilding Industrial District, which manufactures large blocks, will be developed into a plant that specializes in offshore plants. The 5.5 million square meter STX Dalian shipbuilding complex possesses an integrated production system that handles basic material processing, engine assembly, block production, and ship and offshore plant construction. From drill ships and OPLs to FSUs, it is becoming the key plant of high value-added offshore plant construction. Based on its long history and advanced technologies, STX Europe is leading the specialized ship fields such as cruise ships, ferries, and offshore plants. And it has demonstrated its advanced technologies by building Oasis of the Sea, which is the world's largest cruise vessel, and the Allure of the Sea. People stand in the center of STX Offshore and Shipbuilding's dream to become the world's best. The people of STX Offshore and Shipbuilding are the greatest asset for achieving its goals. By prioritizing their health, safety, and working environment, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding has established an excellent HSE system, and it's considering health, safety, and environment first at all times. Under the belief that sharing is key to greater possibilities, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding is actively carrying out volunteer programs, thus growing with the local community. After 10 years of global expansion, we will lead the world for the next 10 years. STX is preparing to rise towards a greater tomorrow. By achieving the vision of leading the ocean and beyond by 2020, STX will become the leader of every field related to the sea. At STX, challenge is in our DNA. To the world, to the future, with infinite creativity and endless challenges, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding will discover the greater values of the sea. World best, STX Offshore and Shipbuilding.